Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Netflix app if it is not working on Windows 11. First, we will try to repair the Netflix app. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Apps, then select Install the apps. Scroll down until you find Netflix. Click on the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Here, click on the Repair button. This will fix the app without deleting your data. Wait a few seconds and then open Netflix to check if it works. If the problem is still there, go back to the same screen and click on Reset. This will remove app data and bring the app back to its default state. Next, we will clear temporary files from your system. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type %temp% and press Enter. A folder will open with temporary files. Select all files in this folder and delete them. If some files cannot be deleted, just skip them. This step helps remove corrupted cache files that may stop Netflix from working. If Netflix is still not working, the last step is to reinstall the app. Go back to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Netflix and uninstall it. After uninstalling, restart your computer. Once your system starts again, open the Microsoft Store, search for Netflix, and install it again. After installation, open the app and sign in to check if the issue is fixed. Thanks for watching.